Modern, contemporary, luxury, sleek, stylish, this house delivers on every front. 6 Tweeddale Road here in Applecross, green title, north-facing backyard, tri-level, undercroft garage. This house seriously delivers. The main living space of this house is what everybody looks for. It is open plan, it has an abundance of light, and it's got fantastic flow and connectivity between the kitchen, the dining, and the lounge, and all looks through to the backyard and the sparkling swimming pool beyond. The main bedroom suite is very special. It's more than king size, it connects to a north side balcony, and it flows through to this beautiful opulent ensuite bathroom and walk-in dressing room. A fantastic feature of the design is we've got this upstairs balcony space north side. It's adjacent to the main bedroom. It functions as either an upstairs lounge or a 4th bedroom. The secondary bedrooms are all really generous, queen-sized, built-in robes, lots of natural light, their own balconies with bathrooms adjacent. So that's it folks, 6 Tweeddale Road, modern, contemporary, luxurious, light, bright, stunning, here waiting for you in Applecross. We cannot wait to show you through.